Okay, so we are in today is the 9th of July. We are 1 hour into the open. Okay, so let's revise the trades we took. Let's see, 7:30. This is 7:30 my time. I am in Central America. Okay, so no trades here. We couldn't get any trade. Remember, I was telling you, if you have the filters enabled, even though you see the green background, there's some pattern missing here, so it will not trade. Okay, so we just I don't want to scalp for 1 or 2 ticks. Okay, if you want to scalp for 1 or 2 ticks, you can. Okay, so you can remove the filter and trade all these candles. Okay, so you get 1 or 2 ticks, 1 or 2 ticks, 1 or 2 ticks. Here was markers wanted to short here, but buyers were taking control. Now we got a momentum trade here and scalper at the same time. 2 contracts, 1 for each strategy. Was a winner target. Okay, so then it went sideways completely. Then we have a unfinished auction, 1, 2. Okay, so market just, as you can see, tagged it to the tick. Nothing happened. It went down. Then out of nowhere, I don't know why, out of nowhere. This is why automation is king, guys, because you see the market over here completely slow. Okay, so and then after this you see, look at this congestion over here, it's completely dead. So you see the market then tanking, okay, in a second, in a blink of an eye. I don't want this trade anymore. Okay, we got one. It was from the high frequency trading, the vertical dotted dash lines. Okay, so everything is short right now. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so all of those were winners. You can see here entry target. This one was missed out, so and then entered here and it got the profit here, then entered again here and got the profit here, enter again here, profit here, enter short right now. You saw the short right now. Okay, so we're not gonna trade, even though if we get a signal here, we will not gonna trade because we are not interested in counter trend trading. We are not high frequency trading machines, so it's ridiculous to trade against the market. So we're looking here to build a program that can okay, so put money on your pocket. Okay, because at the end of month you need to pay a lot of things, so it's important to be conservative, not do things that don't work, guys. That I've tried in the past, everything under the sun, and trust me, you're just gonna lose. And yes, it is true that trend is your friend. Okay, so that's why I retired to trading manually. So I've been working on automation more than 3-4 years, more than that. When I was NinjaTrader 7, always with markers. I've never derived myself from trading with a bloodhound strategies. Okay, so that bloodhound is another program that is used for automation. Sharp bloodhound, so it works too. This program works too with bloodhound. Okay, so it's up to the trader, because there's people that has bloodhound, so automation can be done there too. I need to make some examples, okay, so of using bloodhound too, because I received an inquiry talking about bloodhound, and everything, if it's based on NinjaTraders 8, it can be done. So there's no limiting what you can build here. Okay, so well, that's it, guys. I just wanted to showcase you what was going on in full automation, no hands intervention, Okay, so this program is running on another PC. I'm not a, that's another PC. I don't use it to intervene, because if I see something, the human being always tries to put his hands on it, and that's when everything gets wrong, and you mess up. That's why when you mess up, when the trader gets involved into trading, and he thinks that something is gonna, okay, he's here, something is here, it says something is here, and you start seeing things that are not there. Okay, remember, these algorithms, they work on that sentiment, trying to, they pull and stack, trades, and make this type of environment for to fool people, and make them think that this is gonna we're gonna jump to the, the price up, and they just fool you. It's trying to fool you. So it's better to let automation let it do its job. Okay, so then this program can be personalized, guys. This is not a written in stone. You can, if you want to add indicators, if you're an experienced trader and you already, for example, say I want to add this. Okay, I want to add maybe some other order flow, or everything. I don't know. There's a lot of experienced traders that have their own indicators. Okay, so this can be complemented. It depends. Okay, so the time frames, for example, you can trade from 1 minute to 15 minutes. Okay, so it doesn't matter the time frame. You can do whatever you want. You can trade however you want. I prefer the 1 minute, but it's up to the trader what it wants to do. It can go, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so that's the most important part, that you can manage time frames, and you can say, for example, I just want to make one trade per bar. You can control that too. Okay, so it's not like everything is gonna be written in stone and you cannot modify it. Everything can be done with markers. Everything. There's nothing that can block you from making just one trade per bar, or if you want unlimited trade per bar, you can do that too. Okay, so it's up to the trader. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching.